In this video, you'll learn how to claim the U2U airdrop using the OKX Web3 wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully connect your wallet, claim your tokens, and check your balance to ensure everything is in order. Begin by opening the official U2 airdrop page. It is crucial to use the official U2U site to avoid any fraudulent activities. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with information about the airdrop and its requirements. Next, you need to connect your OKX Web3 wallet to the airdrop page. Look for the button labeled Connect Wallet on the screen. When you click this button, a prompt will appear, providing you with different wallet options. Select OKX Wallet from the list to proceed. After selecting OKX Wallet, a connection request will be sent to your wallet. You will need to approve this request to establish the connection. Once you grant the necessary permissions, your wallet will be linked to the airdrop page, allowing you to check your eligibility. Once connected, check if you can claim your tokens. The page will display your airdrop amount if you are eligible. Look for a section that shows your available tokens. If your airdrop amount is visible, you can proceed to claim your tokens. To claim your tokens, click the button labeled Claim. This action will initiate a transaction request in your OKX wallet. You will need to confirm this transaction to finalize the claim. Ensure that you have a small amount of cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover any transaction fees before proceeding. After confirming the transaction, you should check your OKX wallet to verify that your tokens have arrived. Open your wallet and navigate to the assets section. If the tokens do not appear immediately, you may need to add them manually using the tokens details, which can typically be found on the U2U airdrop page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.